Hello friends, I hope all are doing wonderful. I am Asmita. Welcome you to my channel, Asmita's Learning Academy. In today's episode, in today's lesson, I am going to teach you all homophones. Homophones are words which have similar sounds. Phones meaning sounds, homo similar sounds. They sound similar when we say those words, but their spellings are different and their meanings are also different. So let's see these homophones. The number one is to. To, we say to is used in order to show direction to words. Suppose if I say, for example, I am going to the market with my mom. To, in order to show direction. TOO, meaning also. Now see this word, this TOO, two, two meaning also. You too come with your friend, meaning you also come with your friend. This word too, it has also got another meaning. For example, this word too, it has also got another meaning, which is too much. For example, it's too cold outside, so we cannot play. Too cold meaning too much cold outside. So much cold, too much cold. So too, TOO, meaning too much. So this word, it has got two meaning. One is also, and the other one is too much. And the third one, too, it sounds similar. TOO.
TWO.
The spelling of it is TOO, which
TWO.
refers to number two, 1 2. Can I have 2 pieces of cake? So here TOO 2. Let's see some examples. Let's work out worksheet so that we practice using these three words which sound similar but they have different meanings, and the speaker, most of the speakers, they get confused. So in order not to get confused, in order to have the correct usage of these words while we speak, we should know the difference between these three words. Let us try to master these three words so that there is no confusion left in our mind. Now, for example, when I say my little brother is dash years old, now which word we will use? Whether it is two, or TOO. So my brother is 2 years old. I'm referring to number 2. So TOO, my brother is 2 years old. In another one, I have dash toys in my room. I have dash toys in my room. Which two to be used? TO, TOO, or TWO. I have too many toys in my room. Too many, so many. Too many toys in my room. So TOO 2. I have too many toys in my room. This another one. Would you like come over dinner? So which two to be used? Would you like to come over dinner? TO. Would you like to come? Would you like to come? TO, to come over dinner today. See this another one. I am going dash the library to get a new book. Which word to be used? I am going to the library. TO. So it shows the direction. I am going to the library to get a new book. So T. He has dash pets, a cat and a dog. Which word to be used? Yes, two pets. Now I am referring to number 2, TOO. He has two pets, a cat and a dog. This puzzle is dash hard for me. Which word to be used? this puzzle, when I say this puzzle is dash hard for me, it's too hard for me. T-double-O, too hard, it's too much hard for me, that that it's difficult to be solved. So T-double-O meaning too much, it's too hard for me to do it. In the end, to check whether you can use these homophones correctly or not, I'm giving you all a small exercise to solve. First one, I got only dash marks out of 10 in the class test. Which homophone to be used? I got only dash marks out of 10 in the class test. Whether to use 2, TO, TOO or TWO. Second one, he has dash coins in his pocket. TO, TOO or TWO. And the third one, they went dash the supermarket to buy groceries. TO, TOO or TWO. Let's check and find out if you are able to use these homophones correctly or not.